have a problem here with me on physics. It's under mirror rotation, okay? It's quite easy. This is the kind of question you will see in this 2025 what? Jamb and even what? Wire. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 10 degrees. This mirror is rotated through twice this angle. In this new position, the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is, so like I've said earlier, is under what? Mirror what? Rotation. So we're asked to find the angle between the incident ray and the reflected what? Ray in the new what? Position. Simply means that when the mirror has been what? Rotated. Okay? So solution. Okay, the first thing I need to do, I'll draw my mirror. I'll draw my mirror. So this is my mirror. Okay, this is my mirror when it has not been what? Rotated. So the incident ray is my incident ray comes in contact with this plane mirror. It will give me a reflected what? Ray. Okay? It will give me a what? Reflected what? Ray with what? Normal. So this is my normal. Okay? So this is my incident ray. This is my normal. I'll call this one N1. Right? So this is my reflected what? Ray. This is my R what? 1. R1. Okay? R what? 1. So the angle of incidence is given. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 10 degrees. So here is 10 degrees. That means angle of incidence is what? Is given to us in the question. So remember law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to what? Angle of what? Reflection. That means here is also what? Here is also 10 degrees. Okay, so with this, we now say this mirror is rotated through twice this angle. Okay, so I'm going to rotate this mirror. Okay, I'll rotate this mirror this way. That's clockwise. The mirror is going this way. I want to rotate this mirror this way. So I have my clockwise movement. So the mirror is rotated. Are you seeing this? So this is the mirror when it was rotated. This is my mirror. And remember, the mirror is rotating with an unknown angle, which is what? Theta. So here is what? Theta. Here is what? Theta. Right? So when the mirror has been rotated, this normal will shift to give me a what? A new normal. So this normal will shift to form a new normal, which is here. So I have my what? N what? 2. Like I've said earlier, when you rotate the mirror, I'll rotate the mirror, that's clockwise. Okay? That means the mirror is going this way. This normal will shift to give me a what? A new normal, which is what? N2. And that new normal will divide my what? Angle of reflection into 2. And remember, it is moving with an unknown what? Angle, which is theta. So here is now what? Theta. Here is now what? Theta. Okay? So with the rotation of the mirror that produces what? Or that gives us what? A new what? Normal. Will still give us what? Another what? Angle of what? Another what? Reflected what? Ray. So I'll now have another what? Ray. Reflected what? Ray. Which is my what? R what? 2. Okay? So this angle here will be what? Theta plus what? Theta, which is what? 2 theta. Okay? So remember on mirror rotation, the incident ray is constant, but the reflected what? Ray varies. That's why we're having R1 and what? R2. Because of the shifts, don't forget to know this. Because this normal has been what? Shifted when the mirror was rotated. clockwise. So my angle of incidence will now be from this part to this part. So from here to here is my what? Angle of what? Incidence. That means I will have what? 10 degree plus what? Theta. Okay? And remember, angle of incidence is equal to angle of what? Reflection. That means from here to here as well is my angle of what? Reflection, which is the same thing as what? 10 degree plus what? Theta. Okay? Remember what I said. From this point to the new normal is my what? Angle of what? Incidence, which is what? 10 degree and what? Theta. That means 10 degree plus what? Theta. While from this point to this point is my angle of what? Reflection, which is also what? 10 degree plus what? Theta. Because the law states that angle of incidence is equal to angle of what? Reflection. Remember from the question they said, in the new position, which is this position, new position, say find what? The angle between the incident ray. This is my incident what? Ray. This is my incident ray. This is my incident ray. And the reflected what? Ray, which is the new reflected ray. The new what? Reflected what? Ray. That means from this point to this point is what we are looking for. What will I now get? I'll have my what? 10 degree plus theta plus what? 10 degree plus what? Theta. 10 degree plus what? Theta. I don't know what is this theta, because this theta is when the mirror has been what? Rotated. Look at this now. They now say this mirror is rotated through twice this angle. Which angle? This. That means my theta is equals to what? 2 what? I. Twice the angle of incidence. So my theta is equals to 2 times what? 10. So my theta is equals to what? 20 what? Degree. So I'll come back to this. I'll now have my 10 degree plus, anyway I see theta, I'll put what? 20 degree plus my 10 degree plus, anyway I see theta, I'll put 20 degree plus my what? 20 what? Degree. So 10 plus 20, I'll have my 30 degree plus what? 30 what? Degree. So my answer is what? 60 what? Degree. So the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is what? 60 degree. That means from this particular point to this what? Point. Thank you so much.